from the 17th of the second month of 1438, the Knight of Cups and the Two of Pentacles. Water becomes mutable, and a haloed figure rides a unicorn through the water to dive at the golden grail of the nymphs. The monkey is distracted from the dangler as the spirits and the jugglers strive for equilibrium. Drown that air, and make the sprites and sliffs foam into the cooling quarter of the year. Masariel over a Mahue. Roriel. Irviel. Zeriel. Atniel. Vesur. Azimel. Casor. Patiel. Asuel. Aliel. And Espoel by day, and Arak, Maras, Naguiel, Samiel, Amorir, Bachiel, Baros, Eliel, Eros, Rabiel, Atriel, and Salvor by night may be there as the 8th, as you strive towards perfection. Dorokiel is the 10th emperor over Maghal, Artino, Ephiel, Maniel, or Ephiel. Dorokiel is the 10th emperor over Magal, Artino, Ephiel, Maniel, Ephiel. Suriel, or Maniel. Carciel, or Suriel. Carciel, Fabiel, Carba, Meroc, Althor, and Amiel, before noon, Gadiel, Asphor, Amuel, Soriel, Cabron, Diviel, Abriel, Danal, Lamor, Casal, Busiel, and Larphos in the afternoon. Nahel, Officiel, Bullis, Mamel, Darbori, Paniel, Cursas, Aliel, Eraziel, Cassiane, Vraniel, and Pelusar in the first part of the night, and Pathiel, Gariel, Soriel, Maziel, Futiel, Kairos, Narcial, Maziel, Abal, Meroth, Cadriel, Laudiel, after midnight, in realms beyond imagination. 30 under each of the 24 dukes of the former do more than the will of the magician. The 40 under the 48 may ask you to observe the proper planetary hour in this artful quest by your emotions. Do Phoenix, or Phoenix, or Phoenix, or Phoenix, and Halphos, or Malthus, earn these devotions? A phoenix makes a childish melody, and a stork roughly changes direction. Whose sounds and weapons of one party will cause motion? Who will move in the ascent and descent of subtle and not so subtle conversion? Now, sometimes you have different entities going by the same name, but you see with these secondary ones, it looks like you tend to have, well, not the ones of each quarter, but a couple off to the side, that you have an entity with one name, and then another entity with two names, and then a third entity with two names.